Hello, good morning. Welcome to class. Today's date is Tuesday, 29th September 2020. So we'll be looking at consonant clusters and we'll be concentrating on L blends. So what are consonant clusters and how do you identify a consonant cluster? Consonant clusters are consonant sounds that are put together. You can hear the two sounds as you say the consonant. And so let's remember that we in our previous in nursery nursery classes we learned about consonant sounds. We learned about consonant sounds and we have several consonant sounds. We have b, we have okay, we have the g, j, okay, mm, mm, er, s, w, x, y, z. So we have how many consonant sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. We have 21 consonant sounds, and remember we have 5 vowel sounds. But for the purpose of um, today's lesson, we'll be focusing on our consonant clusters. So that means you are bringing your consonant sounds together, okay? You are bringing them together in a row. So and also consonant cluster is two or three consonant sounds put together in a row. So examples of two consonant sounds, you can have this, you can have your b and your l put together, and you can have b. So this is one, two. An example of three consonant sounds put together, you have s, ts, and you have str, str. Okay, so let's focus on the first consonant cluster for today. We have your f and your l. When you put them together, you have f. Remember I said if you put your consonant clusters together, you will do what? What did I say? You can hear the two sounds as you say the consonants. Okay? Full and l will give you full. Example of words with the full consonant cluster. We have ah, flats. Okay? You have flats. You have flats. Example. So when you put your full plus your art, it gives you flats. Okay, another example is you put your full, then you put your or. So what do you have? You have floor, flop. You have flop. You have flop, flop. Another example of words with fl as beginning consonant cluster is flag, 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 and you have flip, flip, flip. So let's move to the next consonant cluster. We have the b and your l, and this will give you bl, bl. Okay. So example words with um consonant cluster bl are when you have your bl, then you have your og, okay, bl, then you have your og. You put them together, you have blog, 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 blog. Okay, then you can have this your bl Then you have a, your took. So this will give you black, 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 black. Yes, black, black. Another example of words with b is blend, 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 blend. Okay, blend. So let's move to the next consonant cluster. We have your k and we have your l, and this will give you k. Can you say k? So when you put your k, this is your k, then you put your a, k, apple, gives you clap, clap, clap. Can you clap for yourselves? Then another one we have call e, clip, 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 clip. Then another example you have club, ob, club. You have club, club, club. Good job. Another consonant cluster is and it will give you slow, slow. Okay, so when you put your a and the p together with slow, slap, it will give you slap, slap, slow. E, what would it give you? Slim, slim. Okay, slow, slum, slum, slum. So the next consonant cluster we have g and we have l, and this will give us gl, gl. So let's put a vowel sound there, a, and another consonant sound, which is the last sound. And what do we have here? Glam. Again, glam, glam, glam. Then we have glad, glad. Okay, then we have glad, 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 glad. So the last consonant cluster that we'll be treating for today is putting your p and your l together, which will give you pull, pull. Okay, so when you put your a and the and this will give you stuff. Always when you are reading, always read from the first sound. Remember this consonant cluster: plan, plan, and this will give you plan, plan. The next one is you have your pl, then you have your so you drag this pl with the and the last sound, and this will give you plots, plots, plots. Yes, you have to read like big boys and big girls. Plots. So the next one is plug, plug. What would it give you? Plug. So when you are reading, always drag it. When you drag it, it will help you to read well. So you drag your consonant cluster pl with r, and g, and this will give you plug, plug. All right, thank you.